we received information that two non-locals here on Tajan Road, standing here at a business establishment, all high and under the influence of drugs. Now, yes, the government has been clamping down, especially the police department with the war against drugs. But Dimapur, there seems to be no end with the drug usage, the misuse of drugs, especially amongst the youth and amongst the non-locals and the ones that come from outside the state, especially from Lahorijan area as well as, or just the Assam area, the neighboring state. Now, these two over here were caught with this syringe over here, especially. They were standing here like zombies in a zombie mode, and once we intervened, then they suddenly decided to wake up. And now we can see that the syringe he's holding here, and they had initially said that they were under the influence of ganja, or should I say marijuana, but upon checking, it was known that they were using this syringe. And this person also said that he has come from Lahorijan. Apni kut pra aise aro ekbar kobo paribo?
Nagaland gate to Lahorijan de.
Apni yadi ki kore ase Dimapur?
Bottle bisai ase. Bottle bisai.
Bottle bisari ase Dimapur de. Ki karne aro etu bottle khan bisari ase?
Bikabo khabo.
Apni khan hota yadi ai Dimapur de?
Hoda nahi. Kite kite ai.
Apni khan idu kut pra paise idu?
तो पैसे तो सिविल पूरा भी दिए
कुछ पा
सिविल पूरा दिए
सिविल हॉस्पिटल पर आपने खान के दिशी ना आपने खान पैसे
तो पैसे
इदो पैसे ऑलरेडी इदो ना मती दे थाका रुई ना यूज करे আছে
नहीं হয় 10 মিনিটে পাইছিল
10 মিনিটে পাইছে ইদো আচ্ছা আর ইদো কি ইউজ করছে ইদো সিরিঞ্জ লা ভিতরে কি ডালিং না খাই আছে ইদো কি মারি আছে ইদো আপনি খান কি গুড পাইছে ইদো সামান দো কি ডালে আছে ইদো. So as we can see, they're also very much in a state of high, and they have already been standing here. We don't know for how long, but onlookers have informed that they were in a zombie state and very much out of this world, I should say. And we would like to question the district administration that at plain sight, this is happening in broad daylight at such a busy road. And how can this be happening? Especially, they have come from outside the state, that is the bordering areas of Dimapur, and they're coming here, going towards rummaging through garbage, taking most probably already used syringes. We'll just have to wait and see now the action that the district administration will be taking up and to enforce that these things are not happening and there will be a stop to the drug abuse in Nagaland. Esther here for Nagaland News Network.